Okay,
Five.
Miss. We just start again. Okay. So we'll do the evaluation for the next week LP. So we can start from the first question.
Okay, Eddie cuts a whole cake into equal parts. Each part is called a quarter.
Yeah.
Which shape are split into an unequal parts. Can you scroll up? Sir? This is B. This is an equal part. Hans cuts whole pizza into 4 parts equally and will share to his friend. Each part is called a quarter. A. Maylin has 4 pots. She puts 1/4 of 20 flowers in each pot. There are 5 flowers for each pot.
Okay. So please explain this one. How is the way to get 5?
The way that it is 1/4 of 20. So we should know that 20 divided by 4 is 5. Like this. Here must be 5. 20 divided by 4 is 5.
Okay, but for the book directly explain that this one can be divided.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we just check it again later.
Yeah.
Number 5.
What is 1/4 of 12? 1/4 of 12 is 3. So the same like here, so 1/4 times 12 means that 12 divided by 4 is 3.
Okay. Next.
What is 1/4 of 16? 1/4 of 16 is 4. Which of these cake below that show 4 equal parts? The cake that is A.
Which mom cuts? Which one? Number 7. Oh,
Number 9.
number 9. Which of the cakes below this? Okay. The answer is A.
A.
Okay.
From the picture number 9, which cake show 4 unequal parts? That is B and C.
Oh yeah.
Unequal parts. 24 flowers are split into 4. 24 flowers are split into 4. So it means will be 8 groups from, sorry, 24 divided by 4 is 7 groups. Because
7?
24 divided by 4 is 7.
No, 24 divided by 4 is not 7.
Sorry, 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 group will be here.
24 flowers are split into 4.
So will be 6 group.
Yeah, but actually, how to read this question? Because it doesn't make a sense. 24 flowers are split into 4, then you put 6 groups. How to read it?
24 flowers are split into 4. So here that the division. How to make that 4 flowers? 4 flowers. How many group can we like that? So it could be for 6 group. For
Okay, great question, Miss. Yeah, the answer is not 6 actually.
it should be 6 flower, and then there are 6 flower from each group.
Yeah, I mean your answer is 6, right?
So here means that four groups, and each item in a group is 6 flowers.
Yeah, I mean, so what is your final answer?
My final answer that there are 4 groups actually. For each group there are 6 flowers.
So your answer is for each group there are 6 flowers.
Yes.
But it's not the answer.
I split into 4. If it is split into 4, so it means that for each group there are 6 flowers.
Okay, Miss, we just skip this one. That is not the answer actually. Let's go to part B.
Each group has six of 24.
No, it's not the answer. For sure. It's not the answer, miss.
Each group has six. So this must be based on the picture or what? If based on the picture, it must be 6 flowers for each group. Each group has 6 flowers from each group.
Yeah, but it's not the answer. So who made this question?
Miss Agustina, I prepare LP.
Yeah, but I mean, you have to learn about this, right? Okay, we go to part C.
This wrong.
Yeah, it's wrong actually.
I mean that he prepared wrong. AP.
Sorry?
He prepared. She
No,
prepared.
the answer key is already correct.
So each group has a 4 of 24 or what?
No, it's not. It's not easy. It's okay then. Just go to part C.
1/4 of 24 is 6. 1/4 of 24
Yeah.
is 6. How do you fill in the blanks?
Let me move this one. Okay, this one.
How do you fill it? This 24 of 6. This 24 divided by 4 is 6.
No, I think this how do you fill the blanks is the question for the answer here. Let me show this one. Could you erase this one first? Erase all the. Yeah, for this question, how do you fill the blanks? They ask for the answer A, B, C. So we just skip the question number 1. We go to question number 2 now.
How do you
How do you fill the blanks? The answer is taken from
This,
here. This is all the question.
each group has B6.
But we have skipped this one, right? A and B.
So it's already finished, right? For number 2 now.
Yeah, you go to number 2. because
How do you
that's
split the
answer.
paper into 3 equal parts? Please draw. How do you split that? This is a paper like this. We make the paper of origami paper and then we split into 3 to the same size.
Okay, go. Number 3.
Mom split a cake into 4 parts equally and shared them to 4 kids. What each part is called? Each part called is quarter.
Yeah.
What is split? Split is break things into 2 parts, or this is number of bond, which is you make a things that break into
Yeah.
2 or smaller parts.
Okay.
What is quarter? Quarter is one fourth of a things.
Next, we move to computer. Question number 1.
Number 1 here is C, favorite fruits of a group of 12 children.
Okay.
What can we make to record the data of the favorite fruit of the children? A, we can make a list.
Next.
Based on page 79, what chart can we use to find the total number of students who like each fruit? We can use to find total number of students who like each fruit by tally charts.
Yeah. Go.
Each stone have different color, shape, and sizes. There are the characteristic of the stones. Apples and strawberries are red, bananas are yellow, blueberries are blue. We can sort them. We can sort fruit by color.
Okay. Part B.
What is data? Data is information that we collect. Data is information that we collect For example, that we want to find data about the student favorite food. So we try to make question and answer to find the information.
It doesn't match with the answer key here. How is it actually?
Data is oh my god. Data is information that we collect about numbers, information that we collect about numbers, word, or pictures.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next.
List is a group. List is a group of things in order. Make it in order.
Number 3.
Number pictograms is a pictures.
No, number 3 first. What is
Number 3
characteristic?
characteristic is uh, characteristic is the size, the shape, and color of things that of an object.
Okay. Number 4.
Pictograms is a pictures that we use to show data.
5.
Block graph is is a bar that we use to also to show the data.
Okay. Now we move to science.
From the
topic is
pictures
about
below,
electricity.
yeah.
Let me check first. Okay, question number 1.
From the pictures below to show the use of electricity except B, gardening.
Yeah.
The traffic lights use electricity. What will happen if there is no electricity? B, the driver will not know when to stop and when to go.
Next.
Which one of the following statement that is using electricity safely? B, turn off the switch when the rice is cooked.
Number 4.
Which object use electricity from the main? That is A, electric fan from the main.
Which object use electricity from the mains? Wristwatch, remote control. Yeah. Okay.
Which object use electricity from the cells? From the cells is A, wristwatch.
Next.
Faye wants to make a fruit juice, but the juicer doesn't turn on. Which is the best things to check first? C, the power plug.
Next. Miss.
Where does the microwave get the electricity? Microwave, B, main electricity.
Okay.
One cell. One, this is cell.
Okay.
Two is wire.
3.
Three is lamp. C.
9.
We must turn off the main switch when we are not using an electrical item. Which one also using electricity safely? C. Turn off the switch after using a hair dryer.
Okay, Miss. We go to Mathematica now. First question.
Berdasarkan gambar di samping timbangan miring ke arah ikan, berarti ikan mas lebih berat daripada cumi-cumi. Kepiting lebih berat dari udang. Buku lebih ringan dari tas. Jeruk B sama berat dari apa? Is it the same ya? Sama berat.
Number 4.
Iya.
Yeah.
Semangka lebih berat dari jeruk. Dari gambar di atas, manakah benda yang paling berat adalah tas? Dari gambar di atas, hewan apa yang paling berat dan paling ringan? Itu adalah gajah dan burung. C. Berat bola tenis sama dengan 9 kelereng.
Okay.
Berat labu sama dengan 4 apel. 4 apel. Buku dari 8 jeruk. Buku sama berat dengan 8 jeruk.
You just continue, Miss.
Ya. Hiroshi membeli coklat dan kue. Berat 1 coklat sama dengan 10 kelereng. Berat 1 kue sama dengan 20 kelereng. Benda apakah yang lebih ringan? Benda yang lebih ringan adalah berat 1 coklat sama dengan 10 kelereng. Dengan menggunakan jongkat-jongkit, Maura dan Ezra bermain di taman. Timbangan miring ke arah Ezra. Apakah artinya? Artinya bahwa Ezra lebih berat dari Maura. Bagaimana kamu menjelaskan tentang jengkal? Jengkal adalah satuan tidak baku di mana menggunakan ujung dari jari jempol ke ujung jari kelingking.
Okay.
Apakah penggunaan timbangan? Timbangan adalah untuk mengukur berat suatu benda. Apa yang dimaksud dengan sama berat? Sama berat artinya dua benda yang ditimbang sama ukuran dan sama beratnya.
Okay. Now we move to the book. So for these 4 subjects, do you have the project for the next week?
Yes, sir.
What project is it?
Science.
Science next week.
For
To next
For
week.
this week,
Next 2 week, I think.
one day is IPAS. IPAS we will have. We're making the nah.
Sorry.
Prepare the nah. Project.
making the nah.
Yeah.
Okay, we just go to the math. I want to ask about this topic. So for the math will be taken from 168 until 174. 168. Okay, finding halves and quarters. Finding 1/4 of a set. Divide the flowers into 4 equal groups. Okay, we just go to this question. This is one. So you will teach until 174, right? It means for the next week, this kind of question will be your part. So we have the question here from the book about 1/4 of the things. Question number 4. Try to solve this one first.
Hannah used 1/4 of a pack of buttons. The picture shows the buttons left the pack. How many buttons are in the pack at first? Let's begin by increasing one button. It's time to see every button. Find the total first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So firstly that there are 12 pack of buttons. So 1/4 of 12, 1/4 of 12 is 3. So she can make that. If she want to make it in 4 groups, so 4 groups, so each group will be 3 packs of buttons.
So the answer is
3 packs of buttons for each one group is 4.
Hannah solves the problem by increasing one button each time to see if the buttons can form
Oh,
four
4.
groups.
So it means that he add
Subjects.
more one.
Hannah solves the problem by increasing one button each time.
So she add one more. So this is 12. 12 divided. So become 16 all. 16 packs of buttons.
So what is your final answer? You make me
Four.
confused here.
4 groups.
Four groups.
Yeah.
But it's not a four groups actually. The answer is not a four groups. Please read again. Hannah used 1/4 of a pack of buttons. The picture shows the buttons left in the pack. So how many buttons are in the pack at first?
At first is 3. At first three groups.
It's not three, miss.
1/4 of pack of button, 1/4 of 12.
Because you don't read this key. This is the key actually.
The picture show the button left.
The picture shows the buttons left in the pack. Okay, let me just explain to you, miss. Hannah uses 1/4 of a pack of buttons, so he already used 1/4. And the things that left in the pack are these buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. The one that you count before is 12. This is the things that left in the pack. That left in the pack. So these buttons represent 3/4.
Represent 3.
3/4. So it means that you need to add 1/4, 3/4. Yeah, you need to add 4 more. So the final result later will be 16.
The total button of 16.
Yeah.
So
Because
if
how
you-
many buttons? Because the question is how many buttons are in the pack at first. Let's say there are 16. There are 16 buttons. There are 16 buttons here. Then Hannah uses 1/4 of 1/4 of a pack of buttons. It means that Hannah will use 4/4 of all these buttons, and the buttons that have left are just 12.
left are 12.
Yeah, if the total buttons at the first are 16. So yeah, this is a little bit hard, but you need to find out how to explain this one to the students because yeah, we want students can solve not only the common question just like this. What is the 1/4 of 12? This is too common and too easy for them, but we need to make sure they can solve this question. Okay. So we just go to the vocabulary list. So for the vocabulary list, I will start to ask from science first. We start from cell.
Yes.
Cell.
Cell is it gives power to things. For example, that we want to give power to the toys car or remote control. We can use cells.
Appliances.
Appliances is a machine that we are used at home. For example, that like refrigerator, rice cooker, television.
Okay. Now we move to computer. We have list.
List is a group of things we make it in order. For example, that we want to make it in order one by one the items.
Data.
Data is information that we are using, information that we use such as numbers, pictures, and words.
We move to matematika now. We have timbangan.
Timbangan adalah alat yang digunakan untuk mengukur berat suatu benda. Apakah lebih berat atau lebih ringan?
Sama berat.
Sama berat adalah dua buah objek benda yang sama beratnya. Contoh berat sebuah apel sama dengan 10 kelereng. Itu kita membandingkan dua buah benda apel sama-sama berat.
Okay, we move to math. We have split.
Split is break something into two parts, and that it is all about number ones, which we make it into the smaller unit.
Quarter.
A quarter is one fourth of the things. For example, that the pizza, we want to divide it into 4.
Okay, Miss. I think that's all for our evaluation.
Yes.
Thank you.